Hey guys, welcome back in our YouTube channel SRK photoworkz. So in this video I will show you how to add creative golden tone effect like this by using Snapseed app. So let's start. First open Snapseed app, then click on open. Now just select the lip photo and just click on select. Now we are going to add a filter to get glowing, saturation and contrast effect. For that scroll down and you can add a pop effect or accentuate effect. I am adding pop effect and just click on apply. Now second step, go to the tool section. Now we are going to add black and white effect. For that we are going to need black and white tool. Click on black and white tool and you can add any effect, contrast, bright or dark. I'm applying dark and just click on apply. Now next step, go to the tool section. Now we are going to create golden tone color. For that we're going to need toon image tool. So click on toon image tool. Now copy the setting with me, adjust the settings with me. Increase the warmth to +100. Next, increase the saturation percentage to the +100. Now next, adjust shadow to the +6. Highlight +6, ambience -15, contrast +16 and brightness +5. Note the percentage. Saturation and warmth must be +100 to get golden tone effect. Now just click on apply. Now last step, click on edit stack, view edits, toon image and last brush tool. Now click on invert, again click on invert. Now just increase the percentage, make it 100% and start brushing on water drops. Brush neatly by adjusting percentage. To erase, decrease the percentage, make it 0, and to restore, increase the percentage, make it 100%. Zoom the photo and brush neatly. For more upcoming Snapseed tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, keep supporting.